11th birthday. Happy birthday to Skaty.
Happy birthday to Skaty.
Happy birthday to Skaty.
Happy birthday to you.
And her little buddy, Modi, is
Modi
here.
on the
And
left.
they're ready for some doggy ice cream.
Woo.
Oh.
Oh, that's gonna get nasty. Oh, gross. Here, why don't you put that back in the bowl? That would be a good idea.
Oh, God.
See the seagull.
No.
That was good. Modi does exactly what he's supposed to do. Poor Momo. God, no one's looking. Yay! Oh, Modi's has his little hat on still. Oh, Skaty likes her ice cream. Oh, God. Kind of gross.